To Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss on exercise 2.2 page number 41 chapter sets for class 10th. What is given? If A equal to set A equal to 1 2 3 4 and set B equal to 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 5 6, then find A intersection B and B intersection A, are they equal? We have to prove that whether the given sets are equal or not under intersection operation. Okay, now take down the given sets. See guys, how I am presenting here, same like you have to present in exam without losing marks. Okay, see, your answer is not important guys, the presentation is very important. Okay, so please follow my steps as it is to get more marks and without losing any mark. Okay guys, let's see what is given. Given sets are A equal to 1 2 3 4 and set B is 1 2 3 5 6. We have to find A intersection B, B intersection A. Okay, now take down first one, A intersection B. Take down A set 1 2 3 4 intersection 1 2 3 5 6. So among this, which what are the repeated elements here? From both the sets, 1 is repeated, 2 is repeated, 3 is also repeated. Okay guys, so okay guys, here 1 is repeated from both the sets, 2 is repeated from both the sets, 3 is also repeated. So repeated elements only we have to mention because we are using intersection operation. Okay, according to the Venn diagram guys, draw a rectangle that indicates universal set. Okay, and take down two circles that indicates two sets, and first mention in the common region what are the repeated elements. So 1 2 3 is the repeated elements. Okay, and remaining these two are not compulsory to mention because they are asking to find out only intersection, right? So 1 2 3 is your result. That's it. The common region, the common elements. Coming to B intersection A, take down the B set 1 2 3 5 6 intersection 1 2 3. Take down A set 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 5 6 is a B set, intersection 1 2 3 4 is A set. Now which are repeated elements from both the sets? So 1 is repeated from both, 2 is repeated from both, 3 is also repeated from both. Therefore take down that elements 1 2 3. So according to a Venn diagram, draw a rectangle that indicates the universal set. Mu is a symbol for universal set. Take down two circles because we have taken two sets A and B. Okay, and that in the what are the repeated terms here? 1 2 3. So mention the 1 2 3 in middle region, the shaded region. So remaining this B part and A part is not compulsory because they are asking to find out only intersection part. So from A intersection B and B intersection A, what did you observe? We observe that A intersection B and B intersection A are equal. We got the same result, right? We got the same result, right? So please go through this sum. If at all any doubt is there, you can comment me in the video, and please like my video and subscribe my channel guys. And coming to a second sum, what is given? If A equal to 0 2 4, set A equal to 0 2 4 and find A intersection null set and A intersection A and comment them. So what is given here? Given set is A equal to 0 2 4 and we have to find A intersection null set. Second one, A intersection A guys. Now first one, A intersection null set. Take down A set 0 2 4 intersection null set. Okay, so what is a common? See, I have explained in the previous videos also. For the given set itself and the null set is common for every set, right? Every set lo నల్ సెట్ అనేది ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ అనేది కామన్గా ఉంటుందని ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో చెప్పాను కదా. సో ఈ సెట్లో ఏ సెట్కి నల్ సెట్కి కామన్గా ఉండే ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? నల్ సెటే. సో నల్ సెట్ ఈజ్ అ కామన్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ సెట్. ఓకే, నౌ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఏ. Take down set A 0 to 4 intersection again set A 0 to 4. So 0 to 4 is repeated here in both the sets. So we write only those elements 0 to 4. Okay. So what do we notice? We notice that A intersection null set is null set because null is common for both the sets. Not only both, for every set null is common, and also itself. And A intersection is A. Okay, this is actually null set, and itself the given set is common for both the sets. So to understand that concept, they have given this sum, guys. So you have to remember A intersection null set is null set, A intersection is A. You have to remember this identities. This will be asked in exam point for 1 mark question or objective type. You have to remember this identities. Okay, now coming to third sum, guys. What is given here? If set A equal to 2 4 6 8 10 and set B equal to 3 6 9 12 15, then find A minus B and B minus A. Okay, take down the given sets A equal to 2 4 6 8 10 and B equal to 3 6 9 12 15. We have to find A minus B and B minus A. Take down the sets A 2 4 6 8 10 minus B 3 6 9 12 15. So because we are performing here minus operation, so cancel the terms which is repeated. 6 minus 6. So other than 6, nothing is repeated here. No element is repeated here. Now what is the meaning of A minus B? A but not B. Okay, so what is the left out elements in A? Set A 2 4 8 10. So mention only those elements. You don't consider B set because but not B. We are not considering B elements. Okay, guys. Now coming to B minus A, guys. B minus A, take down the B set 3 6 9 12 15. And A is 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, so what is repeated here? 6 is repeated because we are doing minus operation. So strike that 6 here. So what is the B minus A meaning? B but not A. So what is left out in set B? 3 9 12 15. Only these elements are repeated. These elements are left out, sorry. So 3 9 12 15. Mention only those and don't consider set A, because we are talking about only B but not A. So according to the Venn diagram, A minus B, take down the rectangle that indicates the universal set. Take down two sets for A and for B. Okay, and here 6 is repeated. 6 is a common. Okay, now other than 6, what elements are left out in set A? 2 4 8 10. So shade only that part, because this is only the A area. We are not considering the B element, B set. And don't write also anything here. Okay, so this indicates A but not B. Similarly, B minus A. Take down rectangle that indicates the universal set. Take down two circles because they give two sets. So write on the common element in the common region. And now, so what is the B minus A? Indicates B but not A. So don't write any elements in set A. Mention elements in set B other than 6. 3 9 12 15. So shade only B part that indicates B minus A. See why I am telling all these this Venn diagram and also the sum, because this Venn diagram sums are important, guys. They may ask for your exam. You may get this either 1 mark question or 2 mark questions of this Venn diagram questions. So I am mentioning the two methods in the same sum so that you can follow any method in exam. But my suggestion is you have to follow both methods. You have to mention both sums, both methods, as normal procedure sum and also Venn diagram method in exam without losing marks. Okay, I hope you understand this video and these three sums. In the next video, we are going to continue next three sums. And please like my video and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you.